Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we will talk about the topic that we have chosen from among the topic that was given from our beloved Madam Sarumander. So the topic we have chosen is that what are the benefit of working part-time while studying. So do anybody want to go first?
I go first. I want to say the benefit when the student doing part-time job is the student can get and earn their own money.
Some extra money from the work.
Yes. Part-time job allow students to earn money to cover expenses such as tuition, fees, books, meals, their laundry, when they want to wash some clothes, and
If they was lazy to wash the with their own hand.
yes.
Okay.
They can pay the class,
Pay the class.
pay the private class if they don't understand the education that
They learn at the campus.
yes,
Okay.
to get extra knowledge.
There's. So can I go it? Can I add my point?
Do you want to know my example?
Oh, your example.
I have example too.
Yeah, I also had it.
A student works at cafe on weekend and use the salary to buy textbook and pay for the bus fares to college.
But
They can pay the transport to go to the college, like taxi, bus, or anything.
second, so that's a great point from you. Yes, I also agree that while they working, they will also can get the extra money from their work. But from my point of view, I think they can be better at time management because while they were working as a worker and also as a student also, they can balance their responsibilities and they can manage their study and work on a schedule which can make them more responsible of the time, and they also can organize daily tasks effectively and also can get the time management. Yes, and make their deadlines on time. But for the example, I think follow a weekly timetable, complete assignment before work, and attend class without missing a lesson. That's what about you? Do you agree with me?
Yes, I agree with your explanation. For me, benefit of working part-time as a student that can improve social skills, like enhancing communication and conflict resolution skills. For example, handling difficult customers like they need help when they don't know what to find in mall. Yeah.
Okay.
What you say?
Can you repeat it? I don't understand. Can you repeat it?
For example, we have to handling the customer that is difficult to find something in mall, something like that.
Okay, something like that.
The student doing job at the mall.
Part time. add more.
Part-time.
The student help the customer to find something something or
Something where they want to buy.
okay.
So go. So that's all.
Yeah, that's
all.
for my
That means they work at hypermarket.
Market.
Ah,
More. A bit small.
small
Small, big,
mini
Yes.
mall.
like
Mini mall.
supermarket.
Mini
lah.
mall.
Like easy read and my day.
Yeah, something like that.
Yes. I understand.
So do you want to add your
My point number 2. My point number 2 is when the student doing some work, doing part-time job, they can encourage better money management. Having a part-time job teach student how to budget their income, save money and spend wisely. They can learn to save the money.
I'm sorry, but isn't your point is earn extra money?
No, better money management. Sorry. When they do the work, they get money. They have to learn the better management to handle the money. Don't get waste. To pay the fees, to pay the lesson pay, you run.
Okay.
For example, a student save part of their monthly wage to buy a laptop, need for assignment instead of spending of the money on entertainment. They can use the money to buy the laptop, to improve their knowledge, to improve their assignment. When they use the laptop, they get easy to make their work lah.
Okay, so I will add my point, but I kinda not as agree with you, but it's okay.
You not agree with me?
Yeah,
Why?
because I think we only should have 1 point for each individuals. We only need 1 point, and we need a lot of elaboration for the point that we have, and not 2 point or 3 point. Only 1 point.
1 point. Okay, sorry.
No, don't worry. We are learning, right? Don't worry. But okay, so for my second one is I think increase for the student also can increase their productivity in their daily life, such as and not lazy around at their home doing nothing. If they don't have a homework if they don't have homework at their home, and also they can use the free time wisely and complete tasks efficiently, and also develop good study habits. Yes, by doing this to avoid their laziness at their home. If you for example, study during breaks between classes, and revise notes while commuting, and also prepare assignment in advance. By doing all this, they can manage their time more better, and make their daily life productive.
What means your point? So point.
The meaning of my point is that if they have a part-time job, they don't have time to be lazy around, and also they can be more responsible of their daily life.
Okay. They can be responsible guy.
Yes, and not lazy around doing nothing. So, do you agree with my point, or you disagree?
I kinda agree with your point.
What you agree?
Uh,
What about it that you agree? What part of it?
They get responsibility.
they because I agree with you because it's very responsible with the. Eh, I agree with you because your point is very responsible.
No, yeah, my point not yes. My point is that the person who have part-time job can get more responsible.
When they do the work, they can manage their time with study and work.
Yeah, so
they
they have
can
time
be-
to be let it run
They can be responsible.
and active. So, at least you agree with me, you understand the point, right?
Yes, yes.
That's all lah.
That's all. So, how
So,
about you? So,
For me, for my second point is most part-time job require a individual. Most part-time job require individual to work or to work as part of a team achieve daily goals. For example, employee part-time as a kitchen crew member of a or a barista during peak hours must coordinate closely with the rest of the staff.
oh, so, by, so, in short,
Uh,
What means?
most of students that work at that place must have a good uh,
Good, good time,
good
good responsibility.
communication,
good social skill to
social skill, to work for the future,
yes.
work in the future.
Yes.
Okay.
Oh. Good communication when they go to work, they can learn about communication,
Skills.
how to close to the people.
Yeah.
Oh, I know. So
The last, yes, the last.
I
Do you have any more?
just have a conclusion.
You have a conclusion. Okay.
In my conclusion, working part-time as student earn extra income, become more financially independent, and develop good money management skill while supporting their education.
Yes.
And I want to add something. When the student go work doing part-time job, they can get knowledge from the
They also can
workplace.
get knowledge and beside some money.
Besides the money, they can get knowledge too.
Okay.
Like point Adi,
Yes, the communication and social skills
get improved.
they improve. Yes, I agree with your conclusion because they can become more independent and they can manage their time better.
Yes.
Okay.
That's good too.
So I also have one more. I think, from my opinion, I think by doing a part-time job, they also can improve their self-discipline and be more responsible, avoid procrastination, and stay committed to the goals. For example, finish homework before evening shift, before they work. Before they work, and wake up early to revise lesson and stick to a daily routine. So then, by doing this, they can be more. They can also be more independent, just like your conclusion. They can push more independent. Yeah.
However, the student doing work or doing grad, anything as job, they have to firstly they have to utamakan
To prioritize.
prioritize their education number one.
Yes.
Even though they have
Even though they have this
busy,
part-time work,
uh,
they need to prioritize their education first. So I also want to include my conclusion in this. I think in conclusion, working part-time while studying improves time management, build responsibility, and prepare students for the future success, because we have experience from the part-time work. By that experience, we can use it to for our future work career, for our future career.
yes.
You have any more to add? Conclusion?
I have I have 2 points. That's it. So I going to conclude my point. My conclusion benefit working part time. That is improving social skills. Is the most important benefit of working part time, because it can develop a strong social and communication skills.
Right. That's all.
Yeah, that's all.
They can improve their social skills. That's your method. Yes. So that's all from our discussion for today, right?
Yes.
So by all by listening to all our points, so what do we think? Which is the best point overall?
I think adik point is good.
Yeah, because the social skills is very important for our future career. I also think like that. Okay, so let's end our discussion for today. Assalamualaikum.
Assalamualaikum. Yes.